Hi, I'm Tiffany, and this is my son Ashel.
I'm allergic to milk, eggs, tree nuts, peanuts, and crab. I also like to help my mom in the kitchen.
When Ashel was first diagnosed with food allergies, I knew that learning to cook would be an essential skill for him. So I started introducing him to the kitchen in fun and meaningful ways at a young age.
I like to flip pancakes and make pancakes and make cookies and put frosting on cookies.
Now we want to teach your kids to cook. Chef Free is a subscription box service that helps kids learn essential skills, motivates kids to try new foods, introduces kids to a community of other free-from eaters, and inspires them to share their voice, spreading awareness of food allergies and other free-from eating circumstances.
Speaking of other circumstances,
Through our experience, we found that many of the foods responsible for the majority of food allergy reactions are the same foods that kids on other special diets avoid, such as veganism, celiac disease, or brain balance diets.
as a kid with a food allergy, I know what it feels like to be left out.
In an effort to make Chef Free as inclusive as possible, we've decided to keep all of our kids free from the 8 major food allergens, gluten, and other animal-based products. Most of our recipes and recommended products are also free from artificial dyes or flavors and encourage the use of natural, organic ingredients.